What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to add clickable links to your YouTube shorts, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically, without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So I already showed you how to add a subscribe button to your YouTube short, but today I'm gonna show you how to make that button work and basically make a clickable link or whatever in your YouTube short. So let's get it going. So first, you need to use a desktop version of YouTube Studio. Currently I'm not using it, so I'm gonna just explain to you what you need to do and we're gonna read it out together. So I'm gonna pull up the text just so you can easily read it, and I'm of course gonna explain to you everything. Well, there is a new linking tool. And as you knew previously, links could be added in short descriptions and comments, and YouTube is removing this capability, citing a desire to reduce spam and scams. But there is a new linking tool. Creators can now insert a single related video link when editing a short video in YouTube Studio on desktop. This link can point to any other video on the same YouTube channel. So as you can see over here, the related video section can be found in the Details tab on the right sidebar of YouTube Studio. Any old or new short video can be edited to add a link, and YouTube suggests using the tool to connect shorts to long-form videos, link multiple shorts in a series, promote live stream, and more. So you can basically go to your YouTube Studio, select Details for any short YouTube short video and add a link to an existing long format YouTube video. So basically maybe your YouTube short is just a a cut from some longer video you made, and you just basically want to promote that bigger and longer video with that YouTube short, maybe as some funny moment, an important topic or whatsoever. You can just clip that part, made it to YouTube short, and add a clickable link to it, which will lead people to a long video format on YouTube. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.